baby yan.
Hi. Ari.
Eh, pasalubong nila kay mama.
May lista pa ako niyan ng mga foods na gusto kong kainin sa notes. Tapos yung mga groceries na bibilin ko. Ngayon tuloy, kanina nakita ko yung food that I ordered.
We're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate. I know you're riding away. Is there room for us both on the same wave? Nothing breaks the
Lagkit na. Lalagkit na agad.
There's nothing left to fix if you won't be a child.
Pinalitang ko. Ngayon mo siya ng primary. Tinan mo nag-ano na. Appear. Ready ka na ate? Nantay mo na lang ba ako? O nag-ready ka pa naman? Hello?
Yes. Check ko lang kung nalak ko. Okay, all cooked. Okay, let's go. Okay. Let's try natin.
Ano ka ang name mo doon sa Grab?
Hi. Yes, mangga na naman. Favorite ko.
Hinog?
Yeah.
Hinog.
Hinog. Baka may peelers sila. Hanapin ko nga.
Aray, ito.
Ano mangga dito po? Try nyo.
Gagi, parang kasama na yung buto.
Hi guys, picture ko lang yung sunset. Ang hangin. Let me show you the sunset. Ay, hindi nakikita yung sunset sa cab. Pero maganda yung sunset. And ayan siya. Yan sila sa baba. Say hi!
Ikaw nga nung pagkati ka na nakapak. Iba-iba yung ano mo. Camera mo. Ay, bago!
that you came into my life. But each time I try, I just break down and cry. I wanna feel the heat with somebody, yeah, yeah. I wanna dance with somebody who loves me.
Hey guys, good afternoon. So today it's a Sunday. It's April 13th and it's currently 1 p.m. Kakatapos ko lang mag-ready and inaantay ko na lang si Ate Fatima. And then my partner's dad will pick us up around 1:10 to go for bowling. So yun, I guess I'll take you guys with me today. Ngayon ko lang naisip. Pagod na kasi. Kaya ngayon ko lang naalala yung camera.
Every minute slipping by, even when I close my.
Wait lang. Hindi gumagana yung utak ko. Sobrang pagod na ako. Kakauwi lang namin. So, we went to SM Mega Mall, I think. So, SM Mega Mall to buy a gift for my partner's father kasi birthday ni Tito bukas. And we decided na i-drop off na yung gift sa bahay nila today since malaki and mabigat siya. And tomorrow, meron akong appointment at 7 a.m. And maaga siya, so ayoko nang dalhin namin yon. Kasi right after that appointment, siguro maglalakad-lakad kami. Yung gift na napag-decidean namin is yung karaoke. So, yun, para na-set up na-testing na namin kaganina. And if gusto ni Tito gamitin bukas, he can use it. And ngayon, may binili akong face mask that I wanna try. Kasi ever since umuwi ako sa Pilipinas, actually, naglaylo na yung pimples ko. Ang pinoproblema ko na lang sa skin ko sa US is yung acne marks. Back, nakuha ko na yung pinalamig kong face mask. So, I got this one from Watsons. This is Lux Organic Miracle Solution Acne Derm. It's a serum boost. I haven't tried this before. I'm not sure if this is a new face mask. And hindi ko pa na-try itong brand na to. So, nakita ko lang na it's good for like acne-prone skin. So, yun. Gusto ko lang siya i-try. Kasi sobrang nag-breakout talaga ako. So, let's see if this one would work or help me calm my acne breakout.
We used to work, now I'm trying to make sure that we're both on the same page. I don't want it to complicate.
Nga pala. Chapel Church. Doon pala. Wow, ganda. Another day. It's my second to the last day.
Ay, lagpas pa nga dito yung ano.
Every day is a battle, and your life feels so cold.